Today I am going to talk about layout. What is a layout? Layout means the structure and visual organization of Excel. It refers to how Excel looks and where things are placed on the screen, right? When you first open Excel, the top part of the screen shows a series of tabs like Home, Insert, Formulas, Review, and others. Excel usually opens with Home tab selected. Whenever you click on the different tab, the row of buttons and tools below it changes. This section is called the ribbon. For example, clicking on the Insert tab shows tools for inserting tables, pictures, or charts. If you switch to the Review tab, the ribbon updates to show tools for adding comments or slates language. The ribbon is divided into groups. Small sections spread by thin vertical lines. For example, in Home tab, you will find group like font, color, underline. Sometimes a group cannot display all its comments. In that case, a small diagonal arrow icon appears at the bottom right of the group. This is a box launcher, and clicking it opens the window with extra features for the group.